How to replace turn signal light bulb or whole turn signal for Mercedes W116 S-Class. This S-Class is from '79. Let's start by opening the hood. Basically, hood release is under here. It was definitely a bad idea to wash the car before recording this, but it is like it is. Now we see this plastic bolt. We want to undo it. Go super fast. This can crack because it's plastic, it's very old, and sometimes usually people replace this with 8mm bolts, so you can expect to see some 8mm here. But basically what we want to do now is push this outside and wiggle it a bit, and then you could see this wiggling it out, and now we want to pull it with our hands. And let me show you. In order to remove turn signal, place yourself in front of the car and then pull this to yourself. This will free the turn signal. Actually, the headlight is holding it. This is jammed to the headlight itself. And now what we want to remove is this light bulb holder. And we want to probably replace this because it's very old, rusty, and inside it's extremely bad. Maybe you can see it on the camera. But basically, in order to put this back, there's only one way to put this light bulb. There's this notch. You just align these two together, and then this, you will align this with the back hole and push it against the headlight, and then push it down, and that would be it. Now we just put plastic bolt where we removed it last time, and this would be done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.